Guys, today this is how to make uh, a wave layout. So you first need 3 speed and then a wave. You can do any speed first of all. This is just mine. Wait. So this is how you do it. And you don't need these or decoration. You just only need these bad boys. Or also these. So you have to do it like that. Now I need you. Oh my god. I forgot to copy and paste it. Okay, so you first, and you can also make it tight as you want. I'm not gonna do one block. Where's my cat meowing every time, dude? I'm also gonna put these in these lines that they're like H blocks. So yeah. Let me go back to this. I'm gonna test it out. Looks like we can't do that. So we gotta put this in. And then yeet this here. Then this. Also check that you have to put these blocks here so no one can cheat. So yeah. Okay, that's how you do it. Then you can also put these in, you know, if you want to, but I'm not because this is a wave. So yeah. Now you gotta get out of this and copy it again as much as you want. I'm actually gonna put these off. That's how you do it. Okay. You can now also put these in, and I'll put some. Don't put these because they will look bad enough. Just put these in. These are good. You can put as much as you want like this. Or like, what? Okay, that's kind of bad. Okay, so you need... Let me close the door for a sec. Okay. Now I can now have peace. Yeah, my mom is speaking another language first of all. So yeah, don't worry about that. I don't remember when they said that. So yeah. I'm not gonna fill the outfit because yeah, I'm not gonna fill like this part. So yeah. Let me undo that for a sec. I'm gonna Samsung first of all. And now I'm in the screen recorder and an easy screen recorder. So yeah. So you gotta get tight wave parts. Then you can also put like harder stuff like Sonic Wave, which is the hardest like demon I ever played. This is what I do. I like this one a lot. I'm really suck at this. This is how you do it. Now you need this boy. I gotta put this away. No, Mario does not do that. It's been 6 minutes already, boy. Oh, you know. I need to make this quick, because I can't make long videos. Okay, I forgot about this. I know how to do this part, so yeah. I know how to do this, so yeah. Bro. Much better. I'm not gonna do it like this. Ah! I accidentally put my camera on this camera. You know, when I did a face review when my channel was named GD4Hana, and I now can play any game, like Minecraft, Roblox, any. What? Never mind, I'll just... How do we do this? Much better now, can't they? Bro. Now ได้ทางเรา Wait. So when that happens, wait, much better. Way too much hard. God. I know it's been like 11 minutes now, boy. I'm gonna make a part 2 because I can't make as much videos. And yeah. I'm sorry. Oh my God! Okay. That's how you do it, boy. Okay, thanks for watching.